This is May, your VA turned spa owner girly. Welcome back sa another Calma day. And today guys, Tuesday, we are supposed to have our scheduled off. However, yung client namin kahapon, they're actually about 6 people. Nag-decide sila na bumalik after their massage. They mentioned that they were supposed to go for a mission yesterday and they went, I believe. So ngayon bumabalik sila para makapagpa-relax. So we're going back to the spa para i-assist natin yung clients natin for today. So tara, samahan nyo kami sa spa. Alright guys, so whilst we are still traveling papuntang spa, kwento lang ako, mabilis lang. So, today, magpupunta rin po kami sa isa sa mga therapist natin. She lives in Caluluan, Concepcion, Tarlac. Sana tama yung pronunciation ko. It's her Apo's birthday, second birthday, I believe. So, pupunta yung ibang team natin and makiselebrate. She invited us. It's very nice of her. So, right after namin i-massage yung 5 clients today, pupunta tayo dun sa bahay nila. I think it's about 30 minutes travel. Personally ako hindi ko pa napuntahan yung lugar, yung Caluluan particularly. So, magiging bago ako dun sa lugar. And I think it's good as well for me to go to such places para mas, mas ma-appreciate ko din and mas makita ko din kung ano pang meron sa loob ng Concepcion. Kasi alam ko, sobrang laki ng Concepcion, Tarlac. So, afternoon, this is May again, your VA turned spa owner curly. And what's up mga kakalma? It's another Calma day. So today, medyo late tayong pumasok because I have a few things I have to do sa work as a virtual assistant. So, hindi tayo pumasok ng maaga and we have to attend interviews. I had to do some recruitment work then. So, ngayon, tapos na yung initial phase ng work ko. So, I can now go to the spa. Naligo tayo, nag-prepare, and now we're going to the spa na. Of course, with the husband driving our e-bike, which is si Andres. Ayan, from Supremo, baka naman. Anyway, so we don't have any bookings for today sa spa, but we have some inquiries. Earlier, meron tayong client, si Ma'am Laila. Shout out to you, Ma'am Laila, na babalik ngayon sa spa para magpa-relax. And yeah, she has been following us then on our social media. She has been commenting and sending us a message. So, ma'am, thank you so much po for the support. I'll see you at the spa po. Guys, I'll provide you update once nasa spa na ako. See ya! It's already 10 in the evening. And maaga kami uuwi kasi unlike the other 3 days, medyo mas kaunti po yung clients na dumating ngayon. But, masaya po kami kasi lahat po ng clients na dumating sa amin ngayon, they are all new clients. Ay, oo nga, no? So, meron tayong isang client na, matagal na pong nagpaparamdam. Hi, Ma'am Lila! If nanonood ka po, thank you so much for visiting us again. I hope natuwa ka sa aking Kapampangan series vlog. No, kidding aside. But yeah, isa sa mga favorite clients namin. She's very nice and she speaks with all of our therapists and with me, ganyan. She always follows and like our page too. And sometimes mag-message yun. Galingan niyo pang sumayaw, ganyan. So, thank you so much po. So yeah, the 6 clients po today. And yeah, yun pong ginawa namin the whole day is really just, relax. Kasi medyo napagod din po kami for the last 3 days. Especially during the Father's Day. And, ano pa ba? Nakakatuwa lang kasi meron kaming, yung last client namin, mag-asawa yun. So, they're new sa spa. And after their massage, they said it was good and babalik daw sila, magiging 4 daw sila. So, Masarap lang pakinggan kasi, or when you hear that words, alam mo na your therapist were able to do their best para masabi yun ng client na satisfied yung client and they're still happy to recommend us and bring other people sa spa po. And I think as a business owner, yun yung pinaka-satisfying and yun talaga yung gustong-gusto ko marinig kasi it makes us feel na we're doing our job properly. And still, we're open for any suggestions and any feedback po. So that's pretty much the whole summary ng buong araw namin today. Pero ngayon, mag-drop by kami sa isang coffee shop for a quick pick-up ng food na in-order namin for tonight. Since maaga kami nakauwi, so makakadaan at makakasilip pa kami ng pwedeng kainin at orderin. So, andito tayo ngayon sa MI Coffee, Dine, Brew, and Chill. Alright guys, nakabili na tayo ng pagkain natin sa MI Coffee. So, very sleek, minimalist, and I think they're thinking really about yung mga customers nila. Like, you know, putting that phone holder sa table. I like then how hands-on nung isa sa mga owner doon. I kind of see myself sa kanya because ako talaga sa business owner, gusto ko talaga maging hands-on. I want to do the operations. I want to help yung mga staff ko because when you delegate things, sometimes mas madali siyang i-delegate and to understand whether it's working or it's not working if you know how it works, if you know what I mean, if you get the gist. So, nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya. He's very hands-on, he's he's visible, ganyan. And he's very nice sa mga customers niya. I heard him saying, sorry po. So, nakakatuwa lang. And I'm excited kasi kanina, dapat ang order lang namin is pasta, which is one of my favorites. Tapos, coffee lang. Pero, well, hindi pala. Matcha. Matcha ba yung kinuha mo? Yeah, matcha. And then, ng pastries, which is yung red velvet and pecan bar. So, naisip ko, since paborito yun ng anak namin, umorder na din ako. Ayun. So, ngayon, nag-iikot kami guys sa plaza kasi may gusto kaming bilhin. Ano bang bibilin mo, babe?
Yan, natutuwa lang makita kasi ilang gabi na natin puro sarado to.
Totoo. So, correct. For the last 3 days kasi, lumalabas kami ng spa or umuwi kami about 11-ish na. Don't get us wrong, we're very grateful and thankful kasi syempre that also means na we have clients to serve. But sometimes namimiss lang namin yung mag-ikot and maghanap ng makakain dito sa plaza. Food tripping ba? Kasi sa Manila, ganito nang ginagawa namin minsan. So, maghanap lang na makakain. And yeah, just thankful that we were able to do it finally again after 3 days. And we're just excited to try yung food na nabili natin sa MI Coffee. One more thing that we did today while waiting sa mga clients is yung turuan nila akong magkapampangan. Yes. Kasi nga, gusto ko rin po talagang maging maalam sa pagsasalita ng Kapampangan. Bukod sa may business ako dito, gusto ko rin talagang malaman kung paano makipag-communicate sa clients ng hindi Tagalog o hindi English. Kasi I think mas ma-appreciate ko lalo yung ginagawa ko kung ako mismo may connection sa mga tao ng Concepcion or sa tao ng Tarlac at Pampanga. So, ayun, yung mga therapist ko, tinuturuan nila ako like paano sabihin yung good afternoon or good evening. Yung, oh my gosh, mapan agat. Oh my God, isa pa ako natutunan yung, hindi ko natuloy na maalala. Yung isa is yung kung ano yung gustong service. Nano service, yuburi sir or ma'am, parang gano'n. Nano buri. mga ganon. Or, Manos, Betis, Keta, mga ganyan. Keta, Kenny, Murit, yung ganon. Yung mga, tinawag ako ni Ma'am Laila kanina kasi tawan-tawa siya sa akin na nag-aaral ako ng Kapampangan. Pinagpa-practicean ko siya. Ma'am Laila, shout out sa'yo. Ayun, so, madami pa po ako kakaining bigas. Nahihirapan pa rin ho ako. Pero natutuwa ako na kahit paano may mga natutunan ako. So, at least kahit paano naging productive today. Kasi nga, yun nga, nag-aral kami. Tawan-tawa yung mga therapist ko sa akin. Para we ended the shift at 9:30 or 9:45 since yung last client namin natapos yung service nila around 9:45, 50, something like that. So, yun, kaya maaga po kami umuwi. Malapit na po kami sa bahay. So, thank you so much guys for watching.